Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to this channel, this beautiful channel. My name is Jambi Mugo, and yes, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos, for commenting. More on the way, more cooking, more to come. Yeah, nimetoka field. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Today was field day work, and I'm headed back to the office to finalize on sorry, that was a matatu. Niko hapa Roaka. Yeah. To finalize on the reports and stuff and get back home, at least to take a rest. But I thank God. Yes, I know it's not easy, but we keep pushing. Sindio, it's not easy out here, but we keep pushing regardless. Sindio, yes. So I love you so much, and the road to 500 subscribers. I know we will get there soon. Yeah, with God, everything is possible. Yeah. So keep it locked. Kwaherini. So I decided to have lunch here at Soka. This is the restaurant. This is the entry. So this is the entry of this restaurant. It was Zuri Bar and Cocktail. They have all that. It's in the middle of Roaka town. That is Roaka for you. Yeah, so this is the entry. Very beautiful entry. In a Kahivi is the upper side of it. Yeah, so welcome to Zori. Yeah, Zori Cave. The receptionist area where you get to order what you want. Yeah, so beautiful. You are all. These are the stairs on your way to the exit. More chairs on this other side. Now this is the upper part of the hotel. You feel like eating from here. This is the full view of the restaurant when you're upstairs. Hapo chini mnaweza, you can even have a meeting of this cocktail and bar restaurant. That's where they have their live band. Yeah, it's just a beautiful restaurant, considering ilianza to like a month or two ago. Yeah, they've just done a very beautiful job. Yeah, this is the cocktail bar. You see from the post, it's the cocktail bar. Look at how well it is decorated. I like everything. Those are the glasses. OMG, the wine glasses, the pombe, the alcohol glasses. You can see it is well decorated. Actually, I've learned that this place was recently made. It's a recent place, so with that they're trying. I mean, it's all about decoration. You can see the place. That's why you see it when you're taking your wine, your alcohol. Yeah. So over there, that's where they have their live band. This space over here, they have their live band, and it's so beautiful. More seats for the customers. Yeah, well decorated. You can see it. Just gives you the mood. So nice, so beautiful. Yeah, I like this idea though. Yeah, so more seats.
Hiyo itakuwa iko sawa. Mtahitaji maji ya kunawa wala na huyu iko sawa.
And time to eat. It was so delicious. That pilipili is pilipili. Welcome. So let me finish what I'm doing. I'll catch up with you later. So this is the presentation of beef pilau, small sauce, kachumbari, salad, the pilau itself, serviette, side plates, yeah, salt and pepper. OMG, the food looks so yummy. This Donald's, a waiter here this restaurant. So ilianza when?
This month.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wow, and you've done a lot. The food is yummy. I must say that.
Thank you.
Yes, so Ebu, just talk to the people wambie kama wanataka wakuje where it's located. Yes.
Okay, karibuni Zuri Cafe iko Ruaka, it's located Ruaka, opposite Chicken Hut. You are all welcome.
When you come here, ask for Donald. Yeah, ametuserve vizuri kabisa. Yes, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's a plus.
Thank you.
Yes. This was the following day, headed to Githunguri. Yeah, for marketing purposes. Now this is the road from Kiambu to Githunguri. Yeah, and I like this road sana sana kwa sababu inakuanga very very refreshing, full of nature. Like me, love nature. Yes, so this specific place, it's always it's something else. Yeah, so hapa ukikuja, if you love like doing yoga ama meditating, hapo utaongea mpaka na ancestors. This specific place, it's always a very 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 nice place. Na kunanga watu wabaya. Yeah. Still on the way, and I grabbed a snack to keep me going. Well, yes, so I took kebab. That's how it looked like. It was so yummy. Yes, na nilishiba hata sikumaliza moja. Yes, the following day in the morning, that's ndoma, ngwashe, and a hot cup of tea. I also eat healthy. Siti nakulanga ma snacks kila saa. No, I do mix. And ngwashe nili deep fry, and it was so yummy. We later went to Roasters to have dinner with relatives. That's sweet potatoes and wine, 4th Street. Yeah, and it's been a while. At least you also feel nice, especially being like so after a long day, at work. You feel like you want to have a break. You want to go celebrate with your family. Yeah, so this is Kembu Road at night. This is how it looks like. Uh, yeah, at least hiyo siku hakukuwa na traffic. There was no traffic na hakukuwa kunanyesha that heavily. Considering how it's been raining, well, we thank God. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for staying tuned. Road to 500 subscribers. I'm not giving up. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and if you watch my videos and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. It is free, you're not charged anything. But on this other end inakuanga imenisaidia sana. This is the Ndegwa. Yes, all these Naivas, Quickmart, and so and so and so. Yes, so thank you so much. Have a blessed time. We will meet next time, and yeah, we pray for one another, we love one another, we be there for one another. Love is free. Spread love. Toodles.